Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. I'm just going to show you a really quick way how to fix a hole in your pocket. Put the thread through the needle and then just pull. Got both sides of the thread being the same length. Just going to roll that in my fingers a few times like that and pull. That's going to make a knot once you do that pulling motion. Pull your thread gently back up to the needle. All right, and now you've got a threaded needle. You can see here, you can't see any of the threads. This is the side that does not need to be sewn. And you can see here, this side's all pulled out. So you can see the holes here as well. That's where the stitches were. This is the inside pocket of the bag. I'm gonna take the pocket and I'm gonna just tuck that down in. And I'm gonna pull it until it feels like it's at its natural point with the folds. You can see here, I can pull that and there's like the natural fold that it wants to go back to. I'm just gonna take my needle and thread here. It's not gonna matter what color thread I use because it's inside of a pocket. So I'm just gonna start by inside. I'm gonna pull my thread. The knot's gonna stop there and I'm going to tuck that. Now I'm just gonna put a couple of stitches right down at the bottom here. Taking my needle, bringing it through both of these folds, staying close to the edge, and I'm just gonna push my needle through both sides and pull. I'm gonna do that all the way across. So I'm bringing my needle through both of these folds, and I'm kind of pinching them together, and I'm staying about in the same line here as the thread, just to make it pretty even. And I'm just gonna go. See how it's on the other side? I'll always come in on the same side and then over on the other side. So in on my side and out that way and pull. As I'm pinching this together. And then every once in a while I'm going to give it a pretty good tug. Not enough to rip the thread, but just so it stays nice and tight. And I'm going to do about the same length of stitches all the way across. Do this all the way across. Just remember, you're going to go in one side and out the other, and you just continually do that. Okay, I'm coming up to the end. Put 2 more stitches here. When you get that loop, just come into that loop like 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then just pull that tight. That's going to form your knot right there. Go ahead and cut that right there. Cut that string. Now your pocket is sealed all the way across, and that's going to take care of that hole. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.